Hey guys, today I have got a Whirlpool Gold Series French door refrigerator with pull-out bottom freezer, and I just finished cleaning it top to bottom, inside out, all that. So I plugged it back in, hooked the water line back up, and I'm waiting for that temperature to come back down to where it's supposed to be in the ice maker to fill up. But while it's doing that, I thought I'd take the time to go ahead and show you this thing inside and out. Like I said, it's got that stainless steel finish. I'll show you right here. Lots of options here for freezer temp, refrigerator temp. Let's see, we've got one thing that's kind of cool is lockout. So if kids or I guess pets even can reach up here and push this, and you wouldn't want that. And I'll show you once it's got all its ice and all that the water and all that works good. Otherwise, I did the fast cool, so it'll get down to temperature a little faster, which you can do once you get it plugged in and get all that going. So we'll open her up here. I've got my bottle of water, which I always put in there for testing. And you can see here, nice, everything's nice and clean. Everything's in great shape. Works great. These guys even pull out. They're adjustable. Kind of neat. Of course, you can move these up, down, put them anywhere you want. Probably going to want to get a water filter, but that just goes right up there. Those are pretty cheap on Amazon. And there you can see the model number and all that. Ice maker is up here, drops down below, and this easily pull out for cleaning, or if you want to grab a whole bunch of ice all at once. Not sure why my phone's having a little trouble focusing, but here's this door. See, all these are in excellent shape here. Yep, so excellent shape on the inside, nice clean like new. And open this up and you can see it's got two drawers here for the freezer, nice clean on the inside, and this pulls out so you can get what you've got up here, get to it easily and push it back. Yep. So that's pretty much it as far as the way it looks, the internals. So you can see everything's in great shape, nothing's broken or cracked or anything like that. So I'll give this a couple more hours because I had all the doors open, unplugged it, and thoroughly cleaned it. So I'm waiting for it to get back to temperature and make some ice. Okay, I've had the water hooked up for a while now. We're at temperature. I just heard the ice drop down, so go ahead and show you that all of that works. Got my little temperature gun here. It's going to show you the internal temperature. Whatever this little light shines on, it's going to give you the temperature of. Right now I'm showing 3 and 35, so we'll just shoot this in here and show you. That's 38. Kind of depends on where you shoot it, but it's fairly accurate. The bottle of water sitting right about 35 on the bottle of water, so that's perfect. I'll get a picture of that for that ad there. We'll go down here to the, drop more ice in there. We'll go down here for the freezer. You see it's a 1 there. 0, 0. Bottle of ice is sitting at about 3 degrees. Just about perfect. Get that bottle of ice again. So as you can see, the temperature is perfect. No problems whatsoever getting the temperature. Really didn't take very long at all either. You can hear it bringing in more water for more ice. And I've got a cup here. Let me just show you. So we've got it selected. We'll kick it over to ice. Okay. Drop the ice. And we'll kick it over to water. There you go. You can see all of that works perfectly. Let me set that down so I don't drop it. Well, there you have it. And there again, the purpose of this video is just so that you know when you get this home, plug it in, you've spent your money on something that works. It's going to work when you plug it in and get it all set up. I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. I'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale, so if you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, thank you. Have a great day.